Hey guys! Finding what you need when you need it is awesome. That's one of the reasons why we love to organize. But when that wave of motivation hits, you want to get organizing right away and not get held up by not having the right tools or the right dividers or not knowing where to start.
Exactly. So we're here to help. We're going to show you how we get past that initial barrier and actually get stuff done when we feel motivated to organize. So if you haven't already, subscribe and then keep watching.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about my makeup storage. So Finn is not here today because he doesn't use makeup, but I do. So this here is my makeup basket. And about 2 months ago, right before Christmas, I went through all my makeup and there were some surprises in there. I was really firm in my sorting of it and I found stuff I'd had for like 5, maybe even 10 years. I took everything out, and then the stuff that I hadn't used for a month, I said, okay, if I haven't used it for a month, I'm gonna put a different pile and give it away or throw it away. And if there was something I really liked, I would say, okay, have I used this in 6 months? And if the answer is still no, then I threw it away. The rest I kept, and I organized it. So I had very little left afterwards, but it was all the stuff I used. So I put that in my little basket, and it fit perfectly. But within like a week, it was a big mess again. I didn't have that much, so I could still find what I needed, but it was a mess. So I went around the house and got some dividers. I didn't have the perfect dividers that fit into the exact measurements of my basket, so I actually went and found this little Winnie the Pooh bag or whatever that is, and I had a little chocolate tin from some chocolates I had, probably bin I had, and then I found this tea container that I cut the lid off of. So this is all very much homemade, and it's not the perfect solution. It doesn't look as pretty as I would like it to, but it works. It works really well. I can find whatever I need when I need it, and it's practical. So whenever I do find that perfect solution, I'll buy that and I'll put it in there. But for now, this here is everything I need. So the takeaway point from this is not to wait to organize until you have the perfect little basket or the perfect little storage system, but just to do it. Use what you have around the house and find something that works, because it's not really the basket that makes the whole organizing, it's a system you put into it. So I divided this into, something fell over here because I took it out, but I divided into my lip liners and lipsticks, my eyeshadows, my mascaras and eyeliners, and then just like a little compact of everything, and my skin products over here. So I have everything I need in here, and it's divided in makeshift little organizers, but use what you have, don't wait around for the perfect solution. Organizing is most fun when you're motivated. Otherwise, it could really become a chore. So it's really important to start right away when motivation hits.
Exactly. And I hope you can see past the makeup, as interesting as that is. What we're really trying to say is get started. If you feel motivated, use what you can find around the house, make it functional, and then make it pretty.
Yeah, functionality first, then aesthetics.
Exactly. If you're really struggling with where to start organizing a specific space, go to our website, realorganize.net, sign up for our mailing list, and download the Ultimate Organizing Roadmap.
See you next time.
See ya.